Hi, this is the tutorial from the June Silhouette Life Inspiration Box for the Patriotic Pillow Wrap using Sparkleberry Ink Pattern HTV and Magic Mask. So the items from the box that you'll need are the Sparkleberry HTV. This is the medium tack Magic Mask, and then you'll need this canvas cotton pillow band. So what we're going to do first, now that we have the band and all the items, and then you'll just need something to press it with from your own stash. So a heat press, an iron, something like that. So now we're going to go to our design studio and design the file, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I have my tutorial here and my design here. I got this design by just scrolling to the bottom and clicking the studio format and opening it up into my studio. So what we are going to do is we have the settings the same since I opened studio format, but if you didn't, make sure you're set to a 9x12. And then you're going to go ahead and click over to send. So since it's pattern HTV, you do not mirror. You apply it more like adhesive vinyl. So when you're cutting, use the settings, heat transfer smooth, cut on a 2, 8, and a 4. It'll cut just like how adhesive does or a smooth HTV does. So you're going to go ahead and click cut. Once it's all good, you're going to click send to go ahead and cut that out. You do not want to mirror it. So when you click send, it'll send mirrored or send as is. Make sure you click send as is for this one. So now we're going to go to our machines and cut it out. Okay, we're ready to cut out the Sparkleberry HTV. So I've got it lined up and I'm going to click load cut mat. And then we're going to double check all of our settings. So heat transfer smooth, but remember we're sending it as is, not mirrored. We want it at 2, 8, 4, and 1. So I bumped my blade to a 3 because it's not cutting as deep as I want it to. It's just old, I think. So I have it set here now, 3, 8, 4. When I click send, it's going to say send mirrored or send as is. Send as is. And we're going to let this cut out. Okay, so it just finished. So now you're going to cut out around it, if you can see it. So it's going to be probably kind of hard to see. And we're going to weed it just like you would normal adhesive vinyl. So I'm going to go ahead and see. I can see it kind of if I hold it up to the light. So that's probably what I'll do. And then I kind of bend it sometimes to find the cut lines. But then you're going to cut it and weed it, and we will go from there. Okay, so now we have the design all weeded, and we have our magic mask. So what you need to do is you need to peel up the magic mask and lay it down onto your design, just like vinyl. You don't need to cut it or do anything like that. You can if you want to, but it's reusable. So if you just leave it, then you have the whole sheet. So I'm just lining it up right here. And then you're going to burnish it really good. So how I'm going to do that is I'm going to lay it back down on that carrier sleeve. And then I'm just going to burnish it with, there it is. Just looking at the tutorial, making sure that we're good. Okay. So then, now that we've burnished it, you can peel it up, and you should just peel up right on your America. So what that means is now, since I had put the sheet back, now I'm peeling off the back of that pattern. So I'm going kind of slow just in case it wasn't burnished enough. You don't want to lose any pieces at this step. So I'm just peeling off, again, the backing on the pattern HTV. So we're peeling this off. Oh, it's a little nerve-wracking. Ah! Okay, so there's a piece that just came up. So just got to press it down and keep it down. And then just keep, oh, it stuck to itself again. That's okay. Okay. And then keep peeling. Okay. So now we have that piece that's done. So then you take your magic mask, and now it's just like HTV. It has the, except it has the, what am I trying to say? Now it's like vinyl. So you're going to lay it down on your pillow. So what I'm going to do is I'm evening out where I think the middle of my pillow is, and I'm doing that based on the Velcro because I want the Velcro on the back. But then, so I'm going to lay my design on it. And you're just going to center it however you want it there. And I am actually going to trim this. I don't want it to get on my heat press at all. So we are going to trim this. Yeah. I just don't want to take any chances. It may be totally fine, but I've never worked with it before, so. Okay, so then I have my design, and I'm going to put this magic mask back on its sheet so that we can reuse it. Okay, so then now we're going to lay down our design. And I'm going to center it out the best I can. And then I'm going to un-Velcro the back. So now you can see that I have my design in the middle of the pillow band. I'm going to check it, just make sure that I like that location. And I'm actually going to switch it a bit. It looks a little too, looks lopsided to me. It may not be, but you know. Okay, so then fix that. We're going to check it again. All right, so I like that better. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go to your heat press or your iron. If you have a heat press, it needs to be at 300 degrees and you need to press for 15 to 20 seconds. Then once you're done pressing, wait 5 seconds and it's a warm peel. So I'm going to go ahead and test it out, and then I will come back and show you the final product and let you know if anything happened with pressing that you need to know about. So I will be right back. Okay, so that worked great. So I pressed it the first time and I didn't have enough pressure. I don't like to clamp my heat press. Just while I'm pregnant, it's hard for me to get it back up. But that didn't work. So I just pressed it again and clamped it this time and it worked great. And then you just peeled off the mask. So now you have this gorgeous pillow band, perfect for the 4th of July. So let me know if you have any questions, and thank you so much for watching.